Hi, this is Nicole Simpson doing skills on SBAR. We'll start with the situation. In room 1, we have a Mr. Williams, 20-year-old male, who presented with sudden thirst, deep breathing with increased respiration, fruity breath, fatigue, dry skin, dizziness, and he has been urinating frequently for about 2 or 3 days. For the background, the patient is a college student who was recently diagnosed with type 1 diabetes 2 years ago. He also had a major test that he was stressed out for and was not checking his blood sugar regularly, and he went to a party afterwards. Upon assessment, the patient is alert times 3. He is orthostatic positive. His blood glucose was 531. He has urine ketones present. His potassium was elevated. His ABGs suggest metabolic acidosis, and he's got skin turgor greater than 2 seconds. And he's got polyuria. For my recommendation, I think that the patient should have lactated ringers to start, give normal insulin to be checked hourly, have frequent vitals checked, repeat any potassium and sodium labs, and have potassium on hand if the severe rebound effect occurs. And admission for observation is likely if the doctor says so. And we want to educate the patient on diabetes education and also nutrition. Thank you.